In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade in LiteFinance. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go in the Trade tab on the left-hand side here, top left, there we go, and then you want to click on whatever you want to trade. So over here, if I, for example, go inside currencies, I can see a bunch of different things I can trade, but of course, you could go ahead and use any of these things up top and go ahead and trade these as well, okay? So I'm just going to go into a basic Euro USD over here. I'm going to click on that. It's going to display the chart over here. You also can see the info in the specific instrument by clicking up here, and you also can see the different analytics, okay? So to begin your trading journey with that specific instrument, you can go to chart, and then inside the chart here on the right hand side, a box will open up where you can go ahead and place a trade. So the trade, you can click on sell or buy over here, and of course you can also select the volume in lots that you want to trade, and then whenever you've done that, you can just click on the buy or sell button down here at the bottom, and that's it. So I'm currently in demo trading mode. If you are as well, it's going to showcase this over here too, but if you're not, of course, you'll be able to go ahead and buy and sell. Now it says now over here, and the second one is add the price. Okay, so this is basically like a market order, and this one is more of a like pending or limit order over here. You can select whichever one you want, switch over, click on buy or sell, and then there we go, your trade will be successfully opened. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.